Another unconventional use for Rub and Restore. This is a custom color. We're in Cece's bathroom and she dislikes how the grout lines have lightened and discolored over time. So I'm going to fix that. Run a little bead in the line and use my damp sponge to sort of massage it into the texture of the grout. You can also use an angled brush for areas where you need precision along edges. And then you do kind of make a mess on the tile, but that's okay, because you just come back with your damp rag and sort of smooth it around, thin it out, and any excess can be removed later with flight cleaner.